Hello, everyone. I'm having trouble with this, so hopefully I'm able to record the whole thing, but I'm going to make it a little bit shorter than originally planned. All right, today we are going to be learning math together, and we're going to be looking at number patterns. Looking and recognizing number patterns are going to help us be good problem solvers. Okay, and when we start working on some word problems with our number patterns, I'm going to show you how. The first thing we're going to do, though, is look and figure out how to recognize and solve patterns. Okay, so the first set of numbers we have on the board are 3, 8, and 13. So we're trying to figure out what is the pattern here. Two questions you ask yourself. Number one, are the numbers increasing, getting bigger, or are they decreasing? Okay, very good, they're increasing. So there are two operations that tell you, okay, that numbers can increase. What are those two operations? We've got addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Okay, if you guessed addition and multiplication, you are correct. So we have to figure out how we got from 3 to 8. Did we add or did we multiply? Okay, well, can we multiply any number by 3 to get 8? 3, 6, 9, 12. No, we can't. So we know we're going to be adding. Okay, so we can either take 8 minus 3 and work backwards and figure out what is the difference between 8 and 3, or we can count up, which is the same thing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5. Okay, so 3 plus 5 will give us 8. Now we have to make sure that pattern still fits here to make sure we have that pattern correct. All right, let's see. Can we add 5 to 8 to get 13? Think about it. We can. Okay, and knowing that pattern, then we can use that same pattern to jump from 13 and figure out our next unknown number. What is 13 plus 5? Okay, if you guessed 18, you are correct. 18, we do the same thing, plus 5. Okay, and if you have to write it over here, if you don't want to count on your fingers, you can do that. It's 23. And 23 plus 5 is 28. Good job. Okay, so we have another number pattern right here. The first thing we ask ourselves, how are those numbers listed? Are they increasing or decreasing? They're increasing. So once again, we're either choosing addition or multiplication. Well, if I add 2 plus 2, it does give us 4. Let's see if that fits. Okay, does 4 plus 2 give us 8? Nope, so it can't be plus 2. So let's try the other operation, which is times. What times 2 gives us 4? Or 4 divided by 2 is what? Okay, if you said 2 times 2 gives us 4, you are correct. Let's see if that fits the pattern. And will give us the product of 8. Will 4 times 2 give us 8? Yes, it will. And then we can check 8 times 2 will give us 16. Okay, some of you may know that if you double 16, which is doubling, remember, just means we multiply by 2, that would give us 32. All right, let's look at one more real quickly. We have 20, 17, and 14. What do you notice about that pattern? Up or down? Is it going up or down? It is decreasing. It is going down. So we know that we are not adding or multiplying. We are either subtracting or dividing. Right. Okay, since some of you aren't very quick with your division facts yet, well, I just chose a subtraction one, so I will go ahead and let's see what we're going to have to subtract from 20 to take us to 17. Well, you can count backwards, 20, 19, 18, 17. That gives us 3. Let's see if that same pattern works from 17, whoopsie, minus 3. Will that give us 14? Yes. Okay, and then we just draw our little loop-de-loop here. What is 14 minus 3? You said 11. You are correct. Let's do one more. Draw your little rainbow. Just to draw the little carrots right there. And don't forget to put commas in between your numbers so you don't have one big long number. And if you guessed 8 right here, you are correct. All right, good luck with your practice. These are going to get a little bit harder next week. We're going to do input-output tables and use some big numbers. Right, good luck. Thanks for watching. I miss you all.